My name is Jitendra Kumar, and I serve as Principal Security Cloud Solution Architect with Microsoft. Each week, I bring you the latest security insights, helping you stay ahead in a constantly evolving landscape. This week, I'm excited to share new developments and critical updates that will keep your cloud environments secure and resilient. Let's dive straight in and begin with our first security update for this week.
Autonomous AI agents are reshaping how organizations operate, managing sensitive data, and acting on behalf of users at scale. However, these capabilities introduce new identity risks. Monitoring and protecting these digital agents is now mission-critical, as unpredictable behaviors can lead to unauthorized data access or decisions outside normal scope. Microsoft Entra ID Protection for agents bridges this gap, automatically detecting and responding to identity-based threats for enterprises deploying AI-driven agents. To leverage risky agent reports, ensure your team has the right roles. Security administrators, operators, and readers access analytics, while conditional access administrators configure agent risk policies. While in preview, ID protection for agents comes with the Microsoft Entra P2 license, offering advanced security tools without extra licensing hurdles. How does Entra ID Protection deliver security? It establishes a baseline for agent activity, then continuously monitors for anomalies such as suspicious sign-in patterns or unusual operations. Flag behaviors are logged in the Risky Agents report, providing a clear list of risky agents. The ID Protection dashboard summarizes risk levels for quick threat assessment. For deeper insight, filter and sort reports to focus on specific agents, risk states, or severity levels, ensuring precise control and monitoring. Entra ID Protection empowers your team with actionable insights and robust controls. As organizations deploy more autonomous agents, confidence and readiness are essential. With Microsoft Entra ID Protection, you can safeguard identities, protect sensitive data, and ensure a resilient security environment for every agent, every day.
Now, let's discuss the next security update for this week. Microsoft Entra AI Admin RBAC updates. This upcoming change redefines how AI administrator roles function within your organization's security landscape. With the new update, the AI administrator role now supports Agent 365. This means AI admins can manage Copilot agents across your environment without needing global admin involvement for routine agent management. Delegation just became more efficient and safer. AI administrators gain expanded permissions for managing the entire agent lifecycle. They can grant tenant-wide admin consent for apps and agents requesting permissions, as long as those permissions do not include Microsoft Graph application access. This streamlines the deployment of AI-powered solutions while upholding security standards. Security oversight is also elevated. AI admins are now able to monitor risky agents flagged through Microsoft Entra Identity Protection. With enhanced risk monitoring, your organization will be better equipped to react promptly to potential threats, prioritizing both compliance and safety. These changes are planned for general availability in March 2026, giving organizations time to review their current admin structure and prepare for rollout. How does this update affect your daily operations? AI administrators will be empowered to grant tenant-wide permission for compatible apps and agents, view basic subscription properties, and access a list of potentially risky agents for faster incident response. Perform full create, read, update, and delete operations on agents, including credential management. Manage Copilot agents and extensibility through Microsoft 365 Admin Center, Entra Admin Center, PowerShell, or APIs. Assign the AI administrator role to users who oversee Copilot, manage enterprise AI services, approve line of business agents, facilitate app installations, configure service health dashboards, review adoption and usage insights, and handle support tickets. If you haven't already begun preparing, now is the time to examine your current role assignments and evaluate organizational readiness. Full documentation will be updated soon, so stay tuned and take proactive steps to secure your environment as these capabilities evolve. Your organization's security posture is about to become more agile, resilient, and effective.
Now let's discuss the next Entra security update for this week. Microsoft Entra Self-Service Support. Imagine troubleshooting identity and access issues without waiting for a support ticket. This update makes that a reality for IT admins. At its core, self-service support introduces an AI-driven tool designed for fast, intelligent problem-solving using a conversational interface right in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. The tool taps into Microsoft Graph API data and public documentation to offer guidance tailored to your situation. Through a chat interface, you can use natural language to ask questions and get context-aware responses. It goes further, analyzing product logs to pinpoint problems and suggest actionable resolutions. If the issue remains unresolved, escalation to Microsoft support is just a click away. What does this mean for your organization? Self-service support is all about efficiency. By providing immediate assistance, it reduces downtime and the need for direct support escalation. Teams gain more autonomy, speeding up identity and access troubleshooting while maintaining security standards. To prepare, verify that your team members have the required admin roles, such as help desk administrator and reports reader. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the chat interface so you're ready to engage with the tool and navigate its features. This upgrade is designed to empower you. With Microsoft Entra Self-Service Support, you're equipped to handle identity challenges with greater speed and confidence, setting your organization up for secure, seamless operations.
Now let's discuss the last Entra ID security update for this week, Microsoft Entra ID Passkey profiles. This update introduces a structured approach to managing Passkey authentication, making it easier for administrators to tailor security across user groups. Here's how it works. Passkey profiles allow admins to define up to 3 profiles, each with its own requirements and restrictions. You can specify which passkey types are permitted, whether attestation is required, and set limits on which authenticators can be used. Each profile can then be targeted to a specific user group, creating a more precise authentication policy throughout your organization. If your tenant already has passkey configurations in place, they will be migrated into a default profile automatically. This change provides more control, but it may alter the way passkey settings function, especially if your attestation requirements differ from the new defaults. With Passkey profiles, you can now establish differentiated authentication requirements for various user groups. For example, you might enforce stricter security standards for administrators, while allowing more flexibility for standard users. This granular control strengthens your organization's overall authentication posture and reduces risks associated with one-size-fits-all settings. To get ready for this update, start by reviewing the migrated default profile. Check if the allowed passkey types, attestation enforcement, and authenticator restrictions align with your security policies. If not, create separate profiles, one for admins and one for regular users, to ensure high-risk accounts receive additional safeguards. This structured policy management empowers you to adapt authentication controls as your organization evolves. Take a moment to evaluate your current security posture and implement these changes so your teams are protected with the right level of authentication security. Keeping your organization secure has never been more manageable,